Hey guys, Jim here, and I just wanted to walk you around my 1961 Chevy Apache 10. A little project I have picked up. As you can see, we're starting to do some weather stripping today. I can't tell you how much of a pain in the butt that has been between getting the over 50-year-old stuff off as well, trying to get the new stuff to stay up. As you can see, I've kind of had to try and improvise and get stuff done here, but that's been a little rough. So anyways, we got the new carpet door sill panels installed. We got the seat covered right now, still waiting to pick up some vinyl material from LMC truck. On the inside, as you can see, it is converted over. It's a NV 3500 transmission paired with a GM crate motor, Vortec roller 350, soon to be race truck. So going to be a little fun project as well. Here is my intellitronix digital dash. Let me see if I can get my steering wheel out of my way so y'all can see this. So as you can see, it gives us coolant temp, volts, you'll have your miles per hour, RPMs, oil pressure, you'll get your fuel gauge. You have a little odometer trip button as well. It'll give you your highest speed, your 0 to 60 times, your quarter-mile elapsed times. When it says cal, you can calibrate the speedometer as well. This hooks up all the way to your high beams, your turn signals, everything like that. So everything's functional just like it would be a normal cluster. Something I would highly recommend for somebody who's looking for something a little aftermarket. Maybe if they don't want the old style panels, maybe something a little more modern. But it bolts directly into the factory housing. I mean, and it works beautifully. Everything is completely plug and play basically. All you have to do is wire it up, and the wires even come labeled for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed my 1961 Chevy Apache 10.